All right, so let's take a look at example 4. I've already plotted the 3 points. I drew the line x equals -3. Now, in terms of what the rule is in this case here, this rule doesn't quite satisfy any of these 4 because it's not the x-axis, it's not the y-axis, and it's neither of those lines there. So these are the only 2 right here, the reflections in y equals x and the reflections in y equals -x, that I think it is almost necessary for you to know the rule. These other 2 right here in the x-axis and the y-axis, as well as the one that we're doing, I think you're better off just looking at how far something is from the line. So look at this. How far is C from the line? It's 1 away. So go 1 on the other side, that's C prime. B is 2 away, so go 2 on the other side, that's B prime. A is 3 away, go 3 on the other side, that's A prime. Connect the dots. And there's our reflection. All right. Let's take a look at this last one. Find the coordinates of the following figure after reflection in the line. Okay, so here's y equals x. So this is the rule where it says any point, all you do is switch the x and y coordinates. So what would f prime be if we just switched the x and y coordinates? Matt? -2, 5. Perfect. What would r prime be if you just switched the x and y coordinates? 0, 10. E prime is going to be 12, -5. And D prime is -3, 0. Okay. So now you should know how to, or you at least have the rules, and you have a couple of examples as to how we reflect lines or reflect images over the x-axis, the y-axis, any horizontal or vertical line, and the line y equals x, which goes through the origin at a positive 45-degree angle, and y equals -x, which goes through the origin at a negative 45-degree angle. All right, you can use the remaining time to go ahead and get started on your homework, and we'll talk more about what's coming up next.